Hey everybody, and thank you for coming back to the BNS channel. I've had a lot of people ask me how the construction is going. Well, I want to show you. This door right here is the one that you've always seen in the back of my videos. It's gone, and you'll have to excuse the mess because we're just getting settled in. I mean, we're not done, so, but I wanted to give you guys a kind of a quick view. So in our living room, we're a little bit cluttered, and that goes out into our new mudroom. So this is, well, and of course Puppy is sleeping. She found her new home here. And it echoes because there's nothing in here. So this is the front door. And it goes out into our driveway that is not finished, as you can see. Half of it's tarred. And in the corner here, we are going to have a bench built to the wall on this wall right here. Then on this wall, we're not 100% sure yet because I want to have some kind of a door to close here so when I'm having a meeting. And I think I might have one of those sliding doors. So it may end up on this wall when it's open, if that makes sense. And then the bench here is going to have an ability to open so I can do some storage in there. And then on this wall, as part of the mudroom, there's going to be a very big closet that I get to design the inside of, which is very exciting. So that's the electrical cord for the light in it, and then of course the light switch is that blue box that you're seeing. And if we keep going, and of course we've got the cathedral ceilings, and we're gonna have the same cedar ceilings as we have in here, which is the rest of the house. So if we keep going from where the closet is, this is the door that goes into our garage, and I'll go out there in a moment to show you. And I just kind of stuck a chair in here for now so it doesn't look so empty. But from that chair all the way over to this wall over here, which goes all the way around back to the inside of the kitchen and living room, is going to be my office. So that's extremely exciting. I have no idea how I'm going to set it up. The only thing that I have determined is that I want my desk in front of the window so that I can see this beautiful backyard all the time. Yay! So, and I'm kind of in a corner here because there's the back of the garage. And then if you look further, here's the back porch. So I'm kind of in a little corner here, which is kind of nice. And I'll be able to see my backyard, and the foliage is starting, so that's nice. So I made sure that my windows didn't have grids in the middle like the other ones do. And so my plugs and my phones and all that stuff is right there. And then I want to have a shelf near the top of the ceiling so that I can put some of my warmers that I've won and some of the charity warmers. So I have plugs that were installed near the top of or above the window. And I have a switch for those in that blue box right there, which does not have a switch in it yet. So, okay, so this is the empty shell, and I'll try to keep you informed. I don't know what the word is, so that you know what is going on and how we're doing with the construction. I will tell you that right now it is on hold because it is still nice outside, and our contractor has some outdoor contracts that he needs to fulfill. So during the winter when it's snowing outside and he cannot do any outside contracts, he'll come back and hopefully we can finish this winter. So I wanted to show you that before. So now this is where we go into the garage. Yay! And it's awesome. It's huge. We have a back door there. The upstairs is open on this side, but then we have it blocked in there because we have an upstairs, which I'll show you. See the beautiful stairs right there. And of course we have room for 2 cars. And there's the front door there. This is going to be the mud room. And the stair to go in to the mudroom. So this is the front. And we got another side door over there. And of course we have our dirty car. One car is parked in here, and we have plenty of room for another over here with plenty of outlets because that's what I chose. And then I just realized that the motorcycle is gone. Where would he have put that? Anyway, okay, so this is where we can go upstairs, which I find extremely hot. I'm going to turn the light on. And we're going to go upstairs to what Ben calls his man cave. So there's a window here right at the top that lets us look outside, which I love. Eventually, I think we're going to have a little porch here that we can sit out on. Oh, look at the flies. It's horrible. And then we have the upstairs. So it's fairly big. We've got a picnic table up here right now. Very good size. It's not finished, of course. And from the front window, we obviously see the road and the in-laws. Oh my God, the flies are horrible. How do I get rid of them? Oh my God, that's wild. Okay. I don't know if you guys want to see this. This is really, really bad. And I think you can see some of them on the screen. But look. Oh my God. They're house flies. And there's hundreds of them, it seems like. Oh my God. Anyway, okay. How about if I close the window and then trap them in there? Oh, that's mean. But look at them all. Oh my God. Oh, that's so disgusting. Ew. Well, at least if they're up here, they're not in my house, right? Oh, Lord. All right, I'm going to let you guys go, but you promise you stay up here? Okay. Anyway, moving right along. Okay, so over the wall is where you can see there's the door to go in the house. And so it's open here. Eventually this is all going to be insulated so that we can, it's not going to be heated, but at least it'll be insulated and we can keep it so that it's somewhat cool or warm, whichever we need it to be. And then we come down back into the garage, and I better shut the light off. And this is it. And the outside of the house looks awesome. I'll take you to go see real quick. We've got the garage door. Looks like a barn door. And then we have the what they call soffit lights up top, and a dimmer light on the door, and the main entrance, which is right there, and the sun is so bright today. And then we have the front of the house that was redone as well, and the leaves are starting to change. And I hope you enjoyed being with me today. I just wanted to show you what we've done and what we've been up to and why I've been changing rooms and having all kinds of construction going on. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit like if you liked watching the video. And bye, baby. Say bye. We'll talk to you later. Bye.